Hi, I'm Asasi and welcome back to my channel. If you've ever struggled with content creation or wish you could streamline your workflow, you're in for a treat. In this video, I'm showcasing a custom GPT I built to automate blog content for platforms like Medium.com. Here's what I'll show you step by step. How this AI tool creates high quality blog content, how the content seamlessly integrates with Airtable for organization, then finally, how it automatically posts to Medium drafts, saving you hours of manual work. Stick around because I'll also share details about my AI Workflow Collective Beta program, where I teach you how to build and automate your own custom AI tool. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We have 4 conversation starters, 4 commands. I like to say commands sometime, but I have a list of blog posts already, and I guess I already had those highlighted. I'm going to tell it the blog post title and to create keywords based off this title. So here is the title for my post. I would like you to find the relevant niche keywords based on it, as well as long tail keywords, which will be the headings for this post. Okay, searching the web, and it brought me back. Okay, headings and the keywords. So say great. Now write me a 1,000 word post. Make sure the headings are bold and are the long tail keywords. Also make sure the sentences are on each line with a space in between. Include my CTA, which is my 4-week beta program, teaching others how to make their first automated GPT for free. And okay, and also include some bullet points, but not every section, just a few. Okay, and let's see what it does. All right, it's writing it out. Oh, I need to stop it because I don't want any headings. The divider, do not want any dividers. Oh, can't type. Okay, before it completes it all. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm reading as I go. Everything looks good. I did notice one small thing, and so that I don't have to make you rewrite it, I'm just going to give it in the instructions. Okay. Actually, I need 5 tags that are relevant for this post. Make sure they do not exceed 25 characters. Okay, so it's giving us the tags. Okay, we have the tags, we have the blog posts, we have the title, and we have the keywords. I'm going to say, go ahead and send this, but for the blog post, make sure there is a space. I noticed something, a space separating the headings. Separating the heading from the paragraph above it. Hope that makes sense. Okay. And right now we're going to send it to Make. I have a webhook set up in the back end, and it's going to post to Airtable first. Now this part takes a little time, so I may have to speed it up if it takes too long. We'll see. Okay, not too bad. Okay, so now it's asking me to confirm if I want to send it over to the hook. And if you click on this down arrow, you can actually check to see what it's going to send to make sure everything looks right. Okay. All right, it has some title, keywords. Okay. All right. Looks good. Let's go ahead and confirm it. Okay, it said it has been successfully posted, and let's check to be sure. All right, there is my, okay, yep, there it is. I was working on one early, so I just redid the same thing. Okay, it's right here, and it has the keywords, the Medium post. Let's click on it. Blog posts, and I'm gonna set it up to where it posts automatically to my blog as well. So that's why I have that field. Here are our 5 tags. Okay, it's in there. Let's go hop over to Medium, see if it's there. Let's refresh the page. Okay, there is the draft. Let's see how it looks. And okay, not bad. Everything's in there. I do have to pop in my URL for the CTA, but okay, it's formatted great. Let's check to see if it did the tags, and there go our tags. Beautiful. And oh, I want to show one more thing, but also what I do is I'll go over here for my image. I'll have it create the image based on the blog post. So let's just do that real quick. Create me a 3D hyper realistic image that matches this blog post. Make sure it is landscape. Okay, see, it's going to give us 2 options, and most times when it gives me 2 options, that means one is going to have an error or something in it. And okay. Ooh, actually I like both of those. Okay, so normally what I do is I'll choose an image. I like this one. I'll choose the image and then I'll pop it into Canva. I have a template in Canva where I just pop the image in and then I'll put overlay text with the title. But for the sake of this video, I won't do that part. But I do want to show you one more thing. Let's see. I want to show you the make scenario that I have set up. And let's refresh this. Okay, it showed that it was successful. So as you see, I have a webhook created and a router because I'm not finished building this out, but I plan on adding a blog to this end, and I'm also going to add Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So yeah, so I'm still building out, but I want to show you how I automate my posts on Medium. There you have it, a complete workflow using a custom GPT to write, organize, and prepare blog content for Medium in just minutes. This is just a glimpse of what's possible when you combine AI with smart automation. If you'd like to learn how to build your own AI tool and automate workflows like this, I'm inviting you to join my AI Workflow Collective Beta program. It's a 4-week program where I teach women like you to create and automate powerful AI tools for your business. The link to join the beta program is in the description below. Spots are limited, so don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI automation tips, and let me know in the comment what works for you, and if you would like me to show you more workflows as well as tools you'd like to showcase next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.